Are you looking for a quick and hassle-free way to remove a jacuzzi tub? In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to safely and efficiently take out your old jacuzzi without unnecessary stress. Whether you're remodeling your bathroom or replacing your tub, this DIY-friendly guide will save you time and effort. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and home improvement guides. Let's get started. First, remove any unwanted tile. Now remove as much of the tub platform as you can. Using a reciprocating saw, cut the jacuzzi into small enough pieces to easily dispose of. Then remove any of the remaining platform. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.